Trimbakeshwar Jyotirling is at Trimbak town at Nasik district in Maharashtra. Every Jyotirling tells the story of devotion between Lord Shivji and his devotee. Trimbakeshwar Jyotirling is the story of Lord Shivji and his devotee Gautam Rishi. Once there was no rain since 24 years and there was a famine. Gautam Rishi was kind-hearted person and his wife Ahilya was also kind-hearted lady. Both did Pinak to Lord Varundev for water. Lord Varundev appeared and said, "What is your problem?" They said, "As there is no rain and all are affected by famine." Lord Varundev said them, "Dig a pit like a kund." They dug the kund and Lord Varundev filled it with never finishing water. All were happy as it was the natural source of water. Every creature can use it. Brahman wives went there to bring water. Some persons were already stood there. They made it issue as they were superior and it was their insult to take water later. Actually, they felt jealous as the kund of water was made with the boon of Lord Varundev. They quarrelled with Ahilya without any matter and had returned without taking water. They provoked their husbands as Gautam Rishi and Ahilya both had ego. They convinced with their wives talking. They did Pinak of Lord Ganeshji to show them low. Lord Ganeshji appeared and said, "What is your wish?" They explained their selfish motive. Lord Ganeshji tried to convince them, but they could not agree. Lord Ganeshji had to become a cow who was about to die. The cow went into Gautam Rishi's field. This was the planning of Brahmins. They were looking by hiding themselves. As Gautam Rishi came near the cow and touched with Durba, she fell down. They came there with crying and said, "Gautam Rishi is Brahmahatyara. He has done Brahmahatya by killing cow." They turned him out from his ashram. Even then they could not be satisfied and said, "You have no right to do Havan, Yajna and other worships." In this way they began to disturb him. He asked the remedy from Brahmins to remove the curse of Brahmahatya. They said, "Revolve around the earth for 3 times and around Brahmagiri mountain for 101 times. After that, take fast for 1 month or bring Gangaji on earth. After taking bath in it, make 1 crore shivlings, and after worshipping and bathing with 101 pitchers of Gangajal, you will be get rid of the crime of Brahmahatya." Both Gautam Rishi and his wife did all the worships that were told by Brahmins, and Lord Shivji appeared there. Gangaji was also appeared there. Lord Shivji said, "Why are you calling me?" They said, "A cow has been killed by them unknowingly. Please remove the curse of Brahmahatya." Lord Shivji said, "This was not Brahmahatya. This was the fraud that Brahmins wanted to prove you defaulter. You had not done a crime. Ask something more." Shivji wanted to punish the Brahmins who had declared them defaulter. But Gautam Rishi requested to forgive them. "These are the only persons that I have got a chance for your darshan and blessings." Brahmins, Rishi and Muni gathered there. They felt sorry and requested Lord Shivji to be seated in this place. Lord Shivji accepted the request and seated there. This place is called Triambakeshwar Jyotirling. Gangaji also appeared from Brahmagiri mountain. She wanted to live in the jata of Lord Shivji, so she disappeared at any time. Gautam Rishi bounded it with Kusha, so she had to stay there. This is called Kusha Ghat or Godavari river. This Triambakeshwar Jyotirling has 3 Shivlings that symbolizes 3 Dev, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. They are crowned with beautiful jewelry crown. By coming here we can get boon and blessings of 3 Dev with Triambakeshwar Jyotirling. Triambakeshwar Jyotirling is